My name is Jessica Nabongo, and I am a travel expert. Maximizing money when traveling is obviously a major part of doing this journey. So some of the key things that I do is I am a part of all of the 3 airline alliances, and that's super important because you want to collect all of your miles. So even if you're flying a small airline in an Asian country, they probably are connected to one of the big alliances. Another thing is credit cards. There's so many amazing travel credit cards on the market. Last year, I used 450,000 points and miles. So between airlines and my credit cards, I used 450,000 points. And that got me to over 30 countries. The other thing I would say for people who want to travel, chase the deal, not the destination. So there's so many amazing websites like airfarespot.com, theflightdeal.com, secretflying.com. Those are great places that you can sign up for free to find airline deals. And so if you chase the deal, then you're able to save more money when you travel, and then you can travel more. I'm all about the rewards. So whether it's hotels.com or Hertz or Marriott, whatever it is, whatever you prefer, make sure you're signed up for rewards program. I'm even in Starbucks rewards program. It's all about maximizing the money that you're gonna spend anyway. My biggest piece of advice for anyone that wants to travel is just go. I think a lot of times people get stuck in the planning process. So it's like, okay, I want to make sure everything is completely planned out to a T, or they're nervous about traveling alone. Just go. Because the thing is, it's the fear, right? And once you can get past fear, there's so many awesome things on the other side of it. So really just go. The biggest lesson that I've learned during my travels is definitely that we are more alike than we are different. I think living in this day and age where there's so much negativity, we're seeing so much racism, misogyny, but traveling and realizing there's the government level and then there's just people. And when I travel, I'm dealing with just people. And most people are not racist. Most people are not misogynist. Most people don't hate women's rights. What I love about doing this journey via social, and showing it on social media, is that I'm able to change the narrative about a lot of places. So a lot of the ideas that people have about different countries, I'm able to show them my experiences and change the way they think about it. To be able to see someone like me out here doing it in such a public way, I think it can give other women and other Black people the confidence to know, hey, I can travel to all of these countries. I can be safe when traveling abroad. As a woman, I can travel and be safe traveling solo. And so I really hope that when people see my story, it's not just about me doing it, but it also can inspire them, to just dream bigger.